Hello students, in today's class you will learn about heart related conditions. Few heart related conditions is given in your book. First one is palpitations, hypertension, heart attack and cardiac arrest. First, let's see palpitations. Palpitations is the abnormality of heartbeat in which it is beating too hard or too fast or sometimes even skipping a beat is called palpitations. This can be frightening but not serious or harmful, and even this condition goes away on its own. In rare cases, palpitations may be an indication of more serious heart condition. It is accompanied by shortness of breath, dizziness or chest pain. The next is hypertension. Hypertension is also called as high blood pressure. When blood flows with greater force in vessels than normal, this condition is called hypertension. This can strain the heart, damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart attack or stroke. The next is heart attack. Heart attack is the sudden interruption of blood supply to the heart. It usually occurs due to blood clot that prevents the flow of oxygen-rich blood to cardiac muscle. As a result of it, the cardiac muscles dies and causes a permanent damage to the heart. The common symptoms of heart attack include uncomfortable pressure, tightness or squeezing pain in the center of chest, discomfort or pain spreading beyond the chest to the shoulders, neck, jaw, teeth or both arms, sweating, nausea, dizziness. The next is cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest means when heart suddenly stops pumping blood around the body and suddenly someone who is having a cardiac arrest will suddenly lose consciousness and will stop breathing or have abnormal breathing. It is accompanied by chest pain, shortness of breath, nausea or nausea. If not treated within minutes, it usually results in death. The most common cause of cardiac arrest is coronary artery disease, wherein the walls of arteries thicken as a result of fat or plaque deposition. Just because of this plaque deposition or fat deposition, the heart stops pumping blood. If proper first aid is provided to the patient gets the right treatment quickly, chances of recovery from the cardiac arrest are quite high. Now, how to keep the heart healthy. Few habits we need to follow to keep our heart healthy, that is eating healthy food and regular exercise, avoid oily and fried food, eat fiber rich food, that as a whole grain cereals, oat, etc. Drink plenty of water. Obesity or excessive weight is a very common problem nowadays and cause of many diseases, especially heart disease. Regular walking, jogging, cycling, etc. keeps our body fit and healthy. And avoid fast food. Eating lot of vegetables and fruits is recommended. So these are the measures or the steps or precautions that we can take to keep our heart healthy. Thank you.